So, getting ready to put a picnic pavilion in. It's been a project we've wanted to do for a very long time, and looks like it's going to happen now. So, anyways, I'll try to take you along as I can on this. Yesterday, I got the sod all ripped off on the location where the cement slab's going to go. And what makes this so unique is this is the exact location where my grandparents' old home used to sit. So kind of a nice way to do this and keep this in remembrance, you know, for myself and the rest of the family. But I'll show you what I've got going on here. So you have to excuse me. My allergies are so bad right now. But yeah, so when I was filling this old foundation in, I used a lot of crushed bank gravel on the top, so I don't suspect that I'm going to have to put much in here by the time I dig this higher side down. And you can see I just got back from the depot this morning and went and got 2x6s to make the form with. Got some extra cement stakes there, and anyways, it's a work in progress. Just got started on it kind of late in the day yesterday, and going to try to get this all, get the forms put in, get everything all leveled and compacted down, and get a hold of the fellow that I'm going to hire to actually come and do the pour. It's just way too big a job for myself, and I don't have the tools to do a pour this big. So anyways, that's what we got going on, and I'll bring you the updates as they happen. Hey, bringing you an update on the area where the picnic pavilion is going to go in. I don't think I've done any updates with the camera since I started tearing the sod off with the tractor, but got a lot of work done since then. I've got the forms all built, and I've got about 8 tons of bank gravel put in here. Everything's leveled off, compacted. Really deceiving on the ground. I thought it was more level than it was in here. You can see I'm actually just below grade a little bit on this corner here, and this side was sticking up quite a bit. So anyways, my cement guy, he's going to be coming at some point here today to put the reinforcement wire in and to set his grade pins. I'm actually expecting there to be a little extra concrete, so if there's enough, I'm going to try to pour a slab here in front of the truck cap shed. So anyways, that's where we're at with it. I'll bring you an update once the cement's been poured, and he's going to seal it, and then come back a day or two later and score it. And then it's just a waiting game for the company that's building the picnic pavilion. You know, a couple of weeks ago they said they were 6 to 8 weeks out, so I haven't received any phone calls yet updating me on where we're at with that, but it's going to feel good to have the cement done and have it sitting here curing in the hot summer sun, waiting for the boys to show up and put the dimensions on the picnic pavilion are 15 by, or I'm sorry, it's 15 by 25, so the slab is 16 by 26, and that's going to give us oh, hello, Tori. Tori came to say hello. So yeah, cats. I guess they thought this was the world's largest litter box. Alright guys, I'll bring you some more as it happens. Later. Alright, so I just wanted to bring you a little update since the cement got poured for the pavilion, or in the location where the pavilion's going to be. So turned out nice. Only thing we're missing now is the pavilion. I don't think either one of those tables are actually going to be there. It's just I set them there out of my way so I could do the mowing. But and I was lucky enough that we had just enough leftover cement to do this little square right here in front of the truck cap shed. So definitely going to need some more gravel to flare this out at a lesser angle the whole way around here. But I used up what I had out of the load that I was using to level up inside the forms, and just letting that settle for a little while, and then I'll get another small load and bring it in here and flare that out, pack it down, and eventually put some topsoil down and some grass seed. So about the only other update I can bring to you at this point will be once the pavilion is actually here and being built or is already up. So it's been a kind of a long process, quite a waiting line to get that done. Turns out when I got a hold of the manufacturer after never hearing from them, here somehow it slipped through the cracks on their end, and so they never even started to process the order until I called about a week ago to find out what was going on, because it had been about a month and a half. So anyways, they informed me that it was going to be probably another 2 to 3 weeks before somebody would call and set up a time when the crew could come and build the pavilion here. So super excited about it though. It's going to be really nice not having to worry about what the weather's doing, and having a place outdoors to do things even if the weather gets bad. So alrighty, hey, I'll bring you another update as it comes. Hey everybody, just going through some video footage, and I realized that I never posted a video of the picnic pavilion project I had going on last summer and still ongoing to this year. So anyways, got the slab was all poured, happy with how it turned out. This is what we went with. It's 18 feet by 25 feet, and I had one end gabled for the reason that I'm going to close one end in, and I'll show you that here in a minute. Left this end open. Anyways, what I got going on here is I found a guy that had some nice hemlock super boards at a good price, and I bought those up. And underneath this tarp is a stack of, they're roughly 2 foot by 4. They're 4 foot, and then they vary from 2 foot up to 30 inches. They're cutoffs of full sheets of 1/2 inch plywood. And yeah, I've got a few things stored under here, some tables, the tractor, trike. But so what the plan is going to be is I'm going to put a wall across here, and then obviously one across the back, and build kind of like a little kitchenette, if you will. Place that, we can have a countertop, place I can run my electric into, and at the end of the season, this little room's going to be awesome because all of the tables and chairs and things that we're going to have set up that are stored down in the garage right now, the end of the season, that stuff can just be folded up and put inside for the winter. So that's what's going on with that. I apologize for not getting something up on this. I know on my Facebook and things like that, I had kind of kept people up to speed, little by little what was going on with this. But like I said, so many things going on, so many projects going on. So anyways, as I start building the walls and running the electric and doing that work, I'll probably start part 2 of this video.